kind of thing is this now? Aye.
Uncle Kebra, what happened?
I wake up this morning, no, and my ears stay paining me.
Did anybody slap you in the dream?
No.
Did anybody shout in your ear in the dream?
No.
So what happened?
I don't know. I just wake up and I start feeling pain in my ear. Aye.
Maybe it's coronavirus.
Emanuela, coronavirus inside ear.
Ehena, is it not coronavirus that's raining?
Oh, my ear, oh. Aye.
Gabriel, what is it? Are you okay?
I'm not. I slept last night and I woke up this morning and my ears still paining me.
Your ear?
Yes.
Wait. Like paining you?
It's doing me like do.
Hey! This thing is abunti.
Are you sure?
Yes, it has happened to me before. Yes. All you need now is palm oil. When you use palm oil, you put like 2 drops or 3 drops of palm oil in your ear. It will just go.
Are you sure?
Yes. It has happened to me before.
Okay, please. You people should give me palm oil,
Hey, sorry, Come and sit down. I know how you feel. Just sit down, okay? Relax. I know how you feel. Calm down. Sorry. Sorry.
What is wrong with Gabriel?
My brother, Kebon just woke up this morning with a very sharp pain in his ear.
Wait, Gabriel, did the pain start before he slept, or you woke up this morning to it?
Because when I woke up this morning, that was when the pain started.
That thing is Apoka now. It's Apokanti. It drags you in your ear. Alright. It's Apoka. They should just put salt.
Salt, okwa.
Yes, salt will just, and you're good. Salt is good. You just add it and then it has happened to me before now.
The oil.
What is the oil for now? Just bring salt. Salt will just eliminate the pains.
Please, you can get me salt. Can't bring salt.
Sorry,
I hope it's not dragging much.
Hey, this thing is paining me,
This thing is painful. Wait, where is it now with the salt now? Keban, we die here,
What is wrong with Keban?
My dear, Keban just woke up with sharp pain in his ear.
Was it from last night?
No.
Just this
morning. Yes, this morning.
It's all conti.
All
conti. It won't be pinning you. It's all conti. It has happened to me before. See, you just use fire. Do you have stove?
Yes, I have stove.
Hey, just on it. Don't increase it too much. Just put your ear close. It will melt it out. Nah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Very sure.
Are you sure?
Yes.
One thing with this earpiece, it can drag.
Salt? Salt for what? No, don't do this. You will spoil your ears. How can you put salt inside your ear? Very dangerous. Don't even try that. Bring stove. Bring matches. Go and bring stove.
Go. Rush.
Go.
Be fast.
Hey, sorry, See how you have matches.
One thing with this earpiece, it can drag.
See, when this thing happened to me, I could not sleep for days. It was so painful.
Very soon now, this ear, he will not be hearing something. He will be hearing only with one ear. See, you have to do this thing very fast. You have to act fast. If not, this ear will condemn you.
My experience was something else. Very dangerous. It will be flinging you in the night, up and down.
But wait, is the ear still doing boom?
Yes.
Hey, it's abunti.
You say it's abunti?
Yes.
This thing is all conti. What is abunti? All conti.
Only Apoka can be this dangerous.
What happened to Gabriel?
Apoka has finished him.
Victory, see, he woke up this morning with pains in his ear, and I'm telling them that it is abunti.
Only Apoka can be dangerous.
This thing has happened to me before. You say, how is it doing you?
The thing is paining me like it's doing me doom.
Exactly.
Doom.
This thing has happened to me before. It's called Ababanti. Listen now, let me tell you. This thing called Ababanti, it will be doing you doom from this side, right? Like it's affecting your brain. Good. See, all you just need to do is just to add water.
Water.
Yes, you add a drop of water here and here.
Okay.
Morning and night.
Where are these children?
Just add a little drop of water.
Come.
What are you doing with stove now? No. Listen to me. You don't need stove. You need water. Add just a drop here and here. Morning and night. Everything will clear.
Bring water.
Okay, go and bring water.
but this thing is something I've experienced before. I'm
See,
telling
I said
you,
this
salt
thing,
is the
fire
only
will melt
solution. You can't tell me any other thing.
Man.
No. Oil. Palm
My
oil.
friend, I'm a graduate.
Okay, Brown, don't listen to these guys. Oh, don't listen to these guys. Listen to what I'm
In
saying.
the village, we use firewood.
Ha.
If you don't have stove, you use firewood in the village.
Stop telling me that.
Listen to me, K. Brown. I'll be very learned with you as a graduate. Just use salt. Salt has molecules. It has magazindrum and water solicum. Add the two together.
Listen,
you're
my
fine.
mom is a traditionalist. And when this thing happened to me, she also called me on phone and said, use palm
No,
oil.
you cannot use oil. You cannot use oil.
What are you saying?
It's like your mom is a native doctor. Simply add water here, shake it. It will be hot.
Salt helps to liquidify and metallify the problem. Salt works better. Once you apply, the problem is solved.
No. Oil works. Look at you. I thought you said you're a graduate. I thought you said you're a graduate.
Wait. I have a solution to this.
Look at you. I thought you said you're a graduate.
Time his ears get
No. Look at you. Look at what you're saying.
It will melt it. You can't treat this thing with salt. It's not a matter of salt. Salt cannot do this. Salt cannot do
Fry
this.
yourself. Okay, Brown, you're my friend. Have I ever lied to you before? I've never lied to you before. Why not listen to what I'm saying?
Listen, Brown. I'm your man. I'm your very good neighbor. Listen to me.
Salt will melt it out.
My friend, come on, fit. Don't tell me that. K. Brown, with my level of education, they think I will lie to you. It's salt. Once you put salt, you don't need to jump. It works one by one and it clears. Look at my ears.
This is not a matter of graduates. This is something we do in the village. This is something we do.
I can't believe you're saying this. You said you're a graduate. How can you say someone should put salt in his ears? Who does that?
It's not by education. Who trying to you? You're a graduate. They're telling him to use salt so that he will.
We have palm oil here, salt, and pot of water. The thing that is remaining now is the ear and some spices. Don't worry, we'll get the spices later. Since it's human ear pepper soup people want to cook, we'll cook it. Oh yeah, success. Go on. Don't come close to me. All of you respect yourself. Come on, give me your hand. I'll put your hand. So this is my game. Let us do it. Yeah. Come on, give me your ear. I'll put your hand. This is a campaign against self-medication.
Do not take drugs without doctor's prescription.
Please, if you are sick, visit a doctor.
Mind you, your friends and neighbors are not your doctors. Visit a hospital.
Self-medication kills. Abstain.
Self-medication is not good.
Please stay safe.
Yes.
Stay safe.
Thanks for watching that very funny. See you next Friday. Please.